like I say, I walk around here now and I see so many things have changed, you know. I see people walking their dogs and stuff. We didn't walk with their dogs. Look, I'm gonna keep it real. When I was a child, a dog was sort of treated like a dog. It was dogs, stray dogs, all over the neighborhood, chasing cars and shit. You be scared to get out your car, they barking at you, barking at the tires. We didn't like the dog. The only time you saw a dog back in the 60s, he had his teeth implanted in a black man's ass. We didn't want to deal with no dogs. Dogs was coming down here from Chicago and New York and Detroit. They were hitchhiking down this way. There were dogs they had them on the news. There were dogs, that was dogs that were saying, they were sitting on the highway like, you mean you can go to Montgomery and just fight people? And they gonna feed us? Shit, sign me up. Dogs was everywhere. If the dog was lucky, he had his name on the dog house in the backyard with a blanket in the dog house. We put a chain on him sometime when the dog catcher was in the neighborhood, because the dog catcher come through and catch a dog. You know, that's it. So, the way they say dogs are treated now is cruel, the way we treated them back then. But we didn't have no dog doctors. If grandmama wanted to get her teeth pulled, we took her ass to the vet. Because wasn't no black dentists back in the damn 70s. Dr. Underwood was the only one we went to. And he didn't pull no teeth, but the man that handled the white people's dog can pull your teeth. And that's what if the dog got sick, and I'm trying to tell you, I ain't got nothing against people with dogs. I love dogs now too, you know. Hey, if the dog got sick back in my day, when you came home that day, you had another dog. Yeah. It's somewhere in Wetumpka, a whole bunch of sick-ass, crazy-ass dogs. sitting around shooting dice and shit. How long you been here, bro? I went to visit a friend of mine the other day. Some guy town stop. The guy I used to work with a long time ago. His dog, someone's on the door, just shaking his happy. He just happy to see somebody. And my wife like, oh, you need to get your dog with me. And I'll let her know, this ain't a dog, this is a family member. Get your family member away from me. And then just shaking. And I can swear, he put the dog in a little cage. And the dog was crying like a little baby. Like, in a cage. And after a while, he just started talking like, take me upstairs. I live here. That is visiting. This shit don't make no sense. They are family members. When I was coming up, a dog would chase a cat up the tree. You had to call the fire department to get his ass down. Best friend. The fire, no, they ain't best friend. Cats kicking dogs' ass. Now you got some dogs that you train them to protect. You know, protect the family, protect whatever you want to protect. But everybody else, the cat's wearing theirs out. You got dogs that'll stand there. You can tell them, there's your food, don't eat it. And they'll stand there next to the food. They say, eat. It's over. Now you got the cat like, you out your I was like, hell, you would try to tell anyone to goddamn. That's how they got the the dogs now.
Oh.
And if I finally figured it out, y'all don't want to have no more children. Because the children don't behave no damn. I run a little business. The children come in and they gotta say, put that back, put that back, move that dog. The dog is sitting over in the corner. I don't know who them mothers are. But they are really embarrassing me. You need to sit their ass where you sit me. Because this don't make no damn sense. The pets are smarter than the kids. That's just the way it is. They're smarter than the kids.